And we have no product. Hi gorgeous, it's me Vasilikis. In this video we are going to be unboxing the Nyx Advent Calendar. This one contains 31 products and the price of it is 60 euros. It is called the Guinness Superstars Advent Calendar and we have a lot of stars and chains on the packaging. The design of it is very festive. This year NYX Cosmetics has released 2 more Advent Calendars with 24 products and 12 products. I'm also going to be unboxing those as well. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Last year's NYX Advent Calendars were not so exciting, so let's see what we have with this one here. This Advent Calendar is like a book with all of the products. Day number 1 is on the... No, this is 13. Just a sec. Oh, yeah, so day number 1 is here. It looks like a single eyeshadow. This one is the matte eyeshadow in the shade I Have a Headache. I have never tried this one. Let's see the color of it. So this is a very light eyeshadow. You can use it to highlight your eyes, also to clean the edges of your eye look. I think this eyeshadow is very light for darker complexions. And let's find day number 2. This one looks like a blush. Nope, and this one is the This Is Everything Lip Loving Balm. I think this is the 3rd year that we're getting this product in the NYX Advent Calendars. It is clear and also very moisturizing. And let's go hunt day number 3. I'm gonna say a butter lip gloss. No! I'm also using a spatula to take out the products. The product is actually bigger than the door. That's weird. This one is the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer and we have it in the shade Glow. I think this one is gonna be very light for me. This is not an inclusive shade. Not a lot of people are going to use it. I have actually used this concealer a few years ago and I remember I didn't like it. That time it was a cult favorite and I couldn't find a way to make this one work for me. I'm curious to try it again. Moving on to day number 4. I'm going to say again a butter gloss. This product is also bigger than the door, so I don't know if I'm going to find anything today. We have here the eye pencil in the shade Dark Brown. Let's see the color. Ooh, very creamy. It is also blendable. It started setting on the skin, but you have some time to blend it if you want to use it as a base for your eyeshadows on the eyelid. Day number 5 here. I don't know, I'm going to say mascara. Oh, it's not. This one is the Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Toulouse. I have tried this lip liner again in another shade and I love it. So let's see the color. Ooh, very nice, very velvety. This is a very nice shade for winter eye looks. The formula of this lip pencil is long lasting. Also, it is not feathering and this is crucial for lip liners. And let's go to day number 6 now. Day number 6 is a little bit bigger. I'm going to say an eyeshadow palette. Wow, unboxing struggles. This one is the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator and we have the shade Sunbeam. We also had this product last year. It is a liquid highlighter. It gives a wet finish to the skin and it is super smooth. And door number 7 looks like a lipstick. And we can also see that this door is not the correct size for the product. Let me know in the comments if this is important for you. Do you want the doors to be exactly the same size with the products? For me, I think it is crucial. Maybe because I'm doing unboxing videos. And we have here the butter gloss in the shade Cranberry Pie. We never had this shade before, so I'm super curious to swatch it. It has that amazing scent of butter glosses. It is sweet but not overpowering. And we have this beautiful shade. This is one of the best formulas for drugstore lip glosses. The color is vampy and great for winter eye looks. Day number 8 here and I'm going to say an eyeshadow. This one is the matte eyeshadow in the shade Lap Dance. This is looking very light like the previous one. We have a single eyeshadow again. I think it is just a little bit darker than the previous shade. I would prefer if this one was darker so more people could use it. Up next, day number 9. I'm going to say a lipstick. This is the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade Green. You can use this to cover any redness on the skin. Green can cancel red. This one has full coverage, as I can see. I'm very curious to use it. I love color correcting products. Let's continue with door number 10. This one is a sharpener, and you can use it for thin pencils and also for jumbo pencils, like the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencils. Here we have day number 11. I'm going to say a butter gloss. This one is a creamy lipstick in the shade Minimalism. At some point, these lipsticks were very popular on YouTube. I was still living in Cyprus and I was able to find some of these on eBay. This brings back memories when I started playing with makeup and I was still studying at the university. Let's see the color. Ooh, creamy lipstick. This one has a light sheen and also very nice color payoff. And day number 12, it looks like a lip pencil or an eye pencil. We lost the product. Come back to us. This one is the eye pencil in the shade Black Shimmer. Nice. We have this formula again. I'm super curious to see the color of it. Ooh, it has sparkles. Oops, oopsie-doo. I was very harsh. If you are worried about the micro glitter and you don't want to use this one in the waterline, you can also use it as a base for a smoky eye look. Day number 13 was a little bit open. We have one more concealer. This one is the HD Studio Concealer in the shade Yellow. Another product to use for color correcting. Yellow can cancel lavender and purple. This is the shade. Ooh, it's vibrant. I was expecting a lighter yellow shade, but okay. Maybe it works. Moving on to day number 14. This one is the matte eyeshadow in the shade Betrayal. We finally have a darker eyeshadow. So far we have only full-size products. This one is not as dark as it looks in the pan, so you can build up the intensity. This one can look very nice in the outer crease for a smoky eye look. Door number 15 looks like a pencil, and we have pencil. We have here another Sweat Matte Lip Liner, and it is in the shade Los Angeles 2.0. Did we have also 1.0? Let's swatch this one as well. This one is like a grey-brown lip liner. I love the color, especially for now. Door number 16 looks like a pencil again. And we have no product. Oh! It is here. Okay, found it. This one is the lip pencil in the shade Natural. I think they also have a lipstick in the same shade. This one is lighter than the previous shade and it is super gorgeous. This is a lip shade that you can wear all year. Next to that we have door number 17. I think we have again a lip pencil or eye pencil. And we have, oh my god, we have this one. It is the Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and I actually had this many years ago. I was using it all the time as a base for eyeshadows. I have used all of it. It was tiny like this at some point. I'm so happy that I'm going to use this one again. You can use this in the waterline to open up the eyes and make them look bigger. Door number 18 here, I'm going to say a butter gloss. This one is the creamy lipstick in the shade Thalia. I'm very curious if they have reformulated this lipstick because they have it for years and years and years. Let's see the color of it. Ooh, creamy and dreamy. You can also use this one with the Sweat Matte Lip Liner that we got in this advent calendar in the shade Toulouse. After that we have day number 19. I'm going to say a matte lipstick. This one is the Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Black Bean. We have one more shade. So happy, I'm so happy. I really want to see the creaminess. Very nice. You can use this with the dark brown eyeshadow that we got for a smoky eye look again. It has a shiny finish. Also, it is super easy to blend. Day number 20, if I ever find how to open it. I think it is a single eyeshadow again. Ta-da! Found it, and this is the matte eyeshadow in the shade Leather and Lace. And as I can see, we have one more very light eyeshadow. I'm curious if this is gonna look darker in the swatches. It is definitely not. Again, we have a very light shade for deeper complexions. And let's find day number 21. It is definitely a lip pencil. And this is the lip pencil in the shade Peekaboo Neutral. I would prefer if we had more variety with the colors. Let's see the new one. Ooh, that's super pretty. Actually, it is darker in the swatches. Here we have day number 22. I'm going to say an eye pencil. This is the Sweat Matte Lip Liner in the shade Soft Spoken. It looks like the other shades. I would like a red shade or something very vibrant. If you don't want all of the shades for yourself, you can give them also to a friend. And this is door number 23. It looks like a single eyeshadow. This is the matte eyeshadow in the shade Blame It on Midnight. Okay, let's blame it there. This one looks like a nice crease color. This is a shade that you can use on more skin tones, finally. Day number 24 is a little bit bigger. I think it is a primer. Nope, this is the Control Freak Eyebrow Gel in the shade Clear. It is also a full size. I'm curious to see the applicator because it looks huge. Oh, it is actually huge. So this looks more like a mascara applicator. Maybe it works. Let's use some. You never know. You can cover more area with this brush. Then we have day number 25. I'm going to say a mini butter gloss. And this one is the butter gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. I have it in a mini. Super adorable and glossy. 26 is bigger. I'm going to say mascara. Nope, this one is the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the shade Gleam. We also had this one last year. And let's see the color. This one is darker, so you can use it for darker skin tones. It is super creamy and reflective. Moving on to day 27. It is looking like a sharpener again. And let's see, it's not. This is the Shimmer Dawn pigment in the shade Mauve Pink. You can do a lot of things with pigments. Super cute. Very nice shade. Up next we have day number 28. This one is the eye pencil in the shade Sapphire. Sapphire. I love products for blue eye looks. And let's see this one. Ooh, it's creamy. Super pretty shade. It doesn't go with any other eye product that we got, but maybe you can use it as a base for a blue smoky eye look. Door number 29 looks like a pencil, brow pencil. Where is it? My product. This one is the Sweat Matte Lip Liner in the shade La La Land. This one is a little bit darker. It is definitely a different shade. I like that. This one is a very nice and long wearing formula. Door number 30 is also very thin. I'm hoping that it's not a pencil again. It is the lip pencil in the shade Mauve. We have so many mauve lip pencils. It looks so similar with the other shades. It is definitely a very nice shade for winter makeup looks. 31 here. Oh, we have a mascara. This is the Worth the Hype Volume and Lengthening Mascara. And we have a mini. I brought mine so I can show you the brush. We have a fiber brush. It is a little bit bigger. This one gives nice definition. It was a struggle to unbox this one. Also, the variety is not the greatest. So I'm gonna give this advent calendar 4 stars. I think it is a very nice advent calendar if you want to buy it, unbox it, and then divide the products to create makeup gifts for your friends. All of the products are full size and the value is at least 150 euros. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite product of today's video. Mine is the pigment. And you can watch next the Maybelline advent calendar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!